Factor the quadratic. Each zero makes one factor equal 0.
Welcome to Zero Gate River. Sedge, the river otter, navigates these currents by following the natural patterns of the water and stones. Kit, the shebo, often watches from the banks, a quiet guide through the landscape's hidden pathways. To find our way through, we will factor a quadratic expression to reveal the zeros of the function it defines, turning numbers into a map for the river ahead. Here in the expanded current, an expression is carved into the driftwood. Let's factor x squared minus 5x plus 6 to reveal the zeros. To find the factors, we look for two numbers that multiply to the constant 6 and add up to the middle coefficient, -5. The numbers -2 and -3 meet both conditions. Because the leading coefficient is 1, we can place these values directly into the binomials, x minus 2 and x minus 3. This structure shows us the zeros are the values of x that make each factor 0. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals x minus 2 times x minus 3, so the zeros are 2 and 3. Sedge reaches the factor raft, where the leading coefficient is no longer 1. We must factor 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 to reveal its zeros. To get a leading 2x squared, our factors must begin with 2x and x. For the constant 3, we test combinations of its factors, 1 and 3, that will combine to create that middle -7. This leads us to the form 2x minus 1 times x minus 3. We can verify this by multiplying the factors out. 2x squared minus 6x minus x plus 3. Combining those middle terms gives us the original -7x. Now we set each factor to 0. Solving 2x minus 1 equals 0 gives us 1/2, and x minus 3 equals 0 gives us 3. 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 2x minus 1 times x minus 3, so the zeros are 1/2 and 3. At the zero gates, algebra meets the landscape. If f of x equals x minus 4 times x plus 1, where exactly should the graph cross the x-axis? Graphically, the zeros occur at the x-axis, where the height, or output of the function, is exactly 0. These factors are 0 at x equals 4 and x equals -1. On a coordinate plane, these are the points where the graph intercepts the axes. The graph crosses at -1, 0 and 4, 0. At the final shore, a projectile's height is modeled by h of t equals negative times t minus 1 times t minus 5. These factors determine when the object is at ground level. The height is 0 when either factor is 0, which happens at time t equals 1 and t equals 5. The factors reveal that the object is at height 0 at t equals 1 and t equals 5. Looking back over the river, we can see how factoring uncovers the critical points in every function. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals x minus 2 times x minus 3, so the zeros are 2 and 3. 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 2x minus 1 times x minus 3, so the zeros are 1/2 and 3. The graph crosses at -1, 0 and 4, 0. The factors reveal that the object is at height 0 at t equals 1 and t equals 5. How would you check this result? The factors reveal that the object is at height 0 at t equals 1 and t equals 5.
The factors 2x minus 1 and x minus 3 give zeros 1/2 and 3.